show you how to create professional-grade music tracks in seconds using the built-in Manus music generator in Manus AI, whether you're on a Mac, an iPhone, or the web. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get started. Manus AI is available as a web interface, but for the best performance, I recommend the dedicated app for iOS, iPad, or Mac, specifically M1 chips or later. To begin, open the Manus AI app dashboard. From the Creative Workflow menu, navigate to the Music Generator tool. Because Manus is an agent, you can also just type into the main chat, "Manus, I need to generate an original music track," and it will open the tool for you. The next step is crafting the perfect prompt. Since Manus thrives on detail, don't just say, "make a song." Specify the mood. Is it high-energy Afrobeats or melancholic lo-fi? Define the use case. Tell Manus if it's for a YouTube intro, a workout montage, or a cinematic commercial. Technical details. You can specify the BPM or tempo and specific instruments, such as heavy bass or acoustic piano. Here's an example prompt. Generate a 60-second upbeat electronic track for a travel vlog, 128 BPM with a tropical house feel and a clean transition at the 30-second mark. Next is the autonomous workflow. This is where Manus beats tools like Suno or Udio. Manus doesn't just make the audio, it understands the structure. Once the music is generated, you can ask Manus to storyboard a video based on the song's energy levels. It can identify the drops or transitions in the music and suggest exactly where your video cuts should happen. You can take the script Manus writes and the music it generates and move them into tools like SendShort for a 100% AI automated video edit. Manus AI is moving us from AI chatting to AI doing. By the end of this year, autonomous music generation will be the standard for every creator. So, what's your vibe? Are you going to use Manus for cinematic scores or social media background tracks? Let me know in the comments. Click this card for a curation of our best Manus AI video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.